Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 24 minus 4 times 2 plus 5 in parentheses. So 2 plus 5 gives us 7 and 24 minus 4 gives us 20. Now 20, we have one multiplication here times 7 gives us 140. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. So 2 plus 5 gives us 7. Now let's rewrite the expression. 24 minus 4, and we have one multiplication here, and this 7 is equals to, but this according to this rule we have one multiplication here and one subtraction here, that we have to solve this multiplication first. So 4 times 7 gives us 28. Now we have 24 minus 28. So the answer is -4. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.